How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can generate Gerber files in KiCad. So the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the PCB editor, which is going to be this one. So you can simply click on it, and we want to launch the project and open the KiCad PCB editor. From there, we want to run the DRC. Now, this is strongly recommended to run the design rule checked. First, to ensure that there are no layout errors before exporting. So we want to navigate through the file window. In here, we have the fabrication outputs. And then, of course, we have the Gerber's option .gbr. So you can just click on this icon. And then we have the ability to simply configure our setting. You have something like your output directory, the included layers, and the Gerber options. So in my case, I'm going to be putting it this way or into this specific folder. And I'm just going to leave everything at default. So we could click on the generate drill files. Let's click on generate, but of course you have the ability to select the generate map. And now that it's done, we could simply back out of our PCB editor. I'm just going to simply click on the go back, and most likely right now we have successfully created ourselves the Gerber files. So if we click on the Gerber viewer, we could simply go ahead and preview the Gerber of this specific project. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.